Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting chemistry banger. Now, in this chemistry video, I'm going to be taking out a question from IGCSE examination, and at the same time, this particular question can also be relevant for students who are preparing for post-UTME, JAMB, WAEC, or any exams that are chemistry related. So let us go quick to the question. But before then, if you are just coming across my video for the first time, my name is Adrenaline, the Bazooka Prophet, BSc, MSc, PhD in chemistry. I'm going to be taking you through journeys of chemistry. You have just been blessed by coming across my video. Now look at this question. The question says, eating iron sulfide, which is also iron 2 sulfide in air, produces sulfur dioxide. Now this is the chemistry or the chemical reaction on the board, which has made it a lot easier. What is the maximum mass of SO2 produced from 120 kilogram of iron sulfide? This is a simple stoichiometry question whereby we are looking for the unknown, which is the mass of SO2, which is this, and we were given the known 120 kilogram of iron sulfide, which is what I am having here. So I am relating iron 2 sulfide, which is a reactant, to that of the SO2, which is the product. So what do we do first step? The first step, follow me. We come here to say, we calculate for the molar mass of iron 2 sulfide. The molar mass of iron 2 sulfide is equal to, now basically you are expected to know the atomic mass, or many times they give you the atomic mass of every element. Now the atomic mass of iron, which is always given to you from the question, is 56, plus sulfur is 32. So it will be 32 multiplied by, remember there's a 2 here, which is 2 atoms of sulfur. There becomes 2. So what do we do? Here become 56 plus what now? 32 times 2 will give me 60 what now? 4, which when I add them both, it will be 56 plus 64, give me 120 gram per mole. I will also calculate for the molar mass of SO2 because that is the first step. Sulfur is 32, right? Oxygen is what now? 16. 16 times 2. So 32 plus 32 will give me what now? 64 gram per mole. That is the first step. And that is, we are halfway solved with this question. Now follow me. Remember, if I'm to relate this with this, which is the iron 2 sulfide and sulfur dioxide, what do? I come here to say 4 multiplied by the molar mass of this compound, which we calculated there was 120. Yes, become bracket gram, because it is mass to mass. Take note, it is mass to mass. The mass here of the known, I'm looking for the mass here of the unknown. Now, for that of SO2 is 8 moles of SO2 multiplied by 64, right? They will also give me what now? Gram. Now, what do I do next? I was given for the known, which is 120 kilogram. So it means that I will convert this 120 kilogram to gram, right? So it becomes 120 kilogram, right? 120, which is 120, right, multiplied by 1000 to convert it to what now? To gram. There is gram now, equivalent to what gram of what now? Of my SO2. I will just cross multiply, but before then I will have to erase the board. Let me erase this top here so I can have enough space to actually calculate this question. So when I cross multiply here, so S gram is now equal to 120 multiplied by 1000 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 64 over 4 multiplied by what now? 120, which is now equal to, of course, 120 we cancel 120. 4 year 1, 4 into 8 will give me what now? 2, right? So I'm now having 1000 times 2, which is 2000. 2000 times 64, let's go. 2000 multiplied by 64 will give me 128,000, right? That's 128,000 gram. Am I correct now? Which, if I'm also to get it in kilogram, it will give me again 128 kilogram. That is just the final answer to this question. As you can see, you will observe that it is actually very simple, very, very easy. So do well to like, share, comment, and make sure you tell your friends. We are currently running an online Zoom classes and Google Meet classes where we go deeper to questions for all examination. It can be SAT, it can be IB exam, AP exam, it can be NEET, JEE exam for students in India, USA, any exam at all. As far as it relates to sciences, we are your sure blog. God bless you. Have a nice day.